On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you truly feel about your Google Workspace right now? How well is it working for you, and how confident are you that it is set up and working correctly for your needs? I recently had a client say, I bet I could do it myself if I just sat down and made the time to do it. If you've ever said this to yourself, you are definitely not alone. Hello, I'm Amy Novick, a professional organizer and Google certified trainer. While it feels great to think that we can figure everything out ourselves, I've learned that I'm usually happiest and the work gets done better when I have a teacher or guide by my side who's already taken the path. The core questions to ask yourself are, do I have the time to research it? Do I have the time to spend figuring it out? Am I tech savvy enough not to make things worse in the process? It's common for business owners to feel overwhelmed by their Google setup. We often struggle to keep numerous Google accounts straight, know how to use all the apps for our business, or understand how they interact and work together to truly streamline operations. How many times have you said, if I just sit down and do it, everything will be fine, only to never actually do it? The frustration is real. When learning new Google tools, I like to learn on my own since I learn from my own mistakes too. For my own YouTube channel, I hired a coach who gave me the guidance and tools to get the fastest results, which I can now maintain myself. For bookkeeping and social media, I hire help just to get it done for me. It really depends on the topic, my skill level, and the amount of time I have. Let me know in the comments below what your usual learning style is. DIY, do it yourself. You love researching and implementing solutions yourself. DWY, done with you. You love learning from a teacher who knows the best and fastest way. DFY, done for you. You love having someone else set it up for you so that it just works. When it comes to your Google Workspace setup, customization, and organization, I have solutions for each of your personal preferences. When you're ready for some expert advice based on more than a decade of Google experience, I'm here to help you succeed, whether it's customized guidance for you and your business or professional organization to match. Let me know if you want your systems done for you, if you want to learn alongside an experienced guide to become self-sufficient, or if you really prefer to do it yourself, but you want curated content pointing you in the right direction. When it comes to your Google Workspace setup, customization, and organization, which one feels the best for you right now? Click the links in the description below for all the details. I always look forward to helping you succeed.